Hey guys, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to add custom tokens to your Trust Wallet. Now let's start. First is open your Trust Wallet application. So just input your passcode. Now, in the home page of your Trust Wallet, just tap Manage Crypto. And in here, you'll be able to see the tokens of your Trust Wallet. Now, to add custom tokens, just tap the plus button at the top right corner. Then after that, just select a network. So for now, I'll be using the BNB Smart Chain. Then in here, we need to input the token's contract address, its name, symbol, and decimals. Now, let's go to our web browser and search for bscscan.com. Now, in the home page of the website, just search a token you want. Like for example, I'll be using Pepe. Now in here, you'll see the tokens information. Just scroll down and navigate the other info. Now in here, you'll be able to see the token contract address. Just copy this and then paste that into our Trust Wallet. Just enter your passcode. Then tap paste. Now after that, just tap import. Now, as you can see, your token is successfully added into your Trust Wallet. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.